In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your print shop with Monday.com. We'll walk through setting up an efficient and organized digital workspace tailored specifically for print shops, ensuring your operations run smoothly. Start by creating a new workspace. Head over to the sidebar and click on Add Workspace. Name it Print Shop Management. This workspace will centralize all your print shop processes. Within this, set up folders for different aspects of your business: orders and jobs, production schedule, inventory and supplies, clients and payments, and reports and dashboards. This organization makes it easy for you and your team to access and manage tasks. Next, establish your print orders board, which will serve as the backbone of your operations. Include essential columns such as job name, assigned to, order date, due date, product type, quantity, production status, print files, price, and payment status. It's helpful to group these tasks based on their progress: new orders, in progress, and completed. This setup keeps everyone in the loop on project statuses. To enhance workflow efficiency, incorporate automations. For example, when a status updates to printing, notify the designer immediately. Likewise, move an order to completed when it's delivered, and notify accounting when a payment status switches to paid. Automations reduce manual steps and help keep operations fluid. Don't forget to set reminders for approaching due dates to the assigned individuals. Now let's manage daily production with a production schedule board. This allows you to assign jobs to specific machines and operators, with columns for job name, assigned machine, operator, start and end times, status, and estimated duration. Using timeline or calendar view can help visualize your production flow effectively. To keep your print shop running smoothly, it's crucial to track inventory and supplies with an inventory board. This will monitor essential materials such as ink and paper. Columns can include item name, category, quantity on hand, reorder level, supplier, and stock status. Set up alerts when stock falls below the reorder level to ensure you never run out of supplies unexpectedly. For client and payment management, create a client management board. This board should include client name, contact details, order history, payment status, and notes or feedback. Linking this board to your print orders board allows for easy tracking of repeat clients and overall customer satisfaction. Dashboards can provide a high-level overview of your print shop's performance. Recommended widgets include chart widget for job status or product type, numbers widget for total revenue, timeline widget for production schedules, status overview for operator workload, and battery widget for inventory summaries. Combining these elements into a print shop dashboard offers a comprehensive view of your business. Utilize forms for seamless order intake. By adding a form view to your orders board, clients or staff can easily submit job details, automatically creating a new order without manual data entry. Collaboration is key. Use the update section within each item to communicate crucial job notes, tagging teammates for real-time updates, and attaching proofs or revisions directly to orders. Lastly, integrate tools to streamline your workflow. Connect platforms like Google Drive or Dropbox for storing client files, QuickBooks or Xero for invoicing, and set up email automations to update clients throughout the process. By following these steps, you'll transform your print shop's management and enjoy streamlined operations with enhanced efficiency.